Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you hide Facebook mutual friends list, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're gonna be using the Facebook app on your mobile device, it's important to open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Find Facebook from there and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in it. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now, of course, we need to go ahead and open the Facebook app. Make sure you are logged into your account and then start by tapping here in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, you can tap here again in the top right to open settings, or you can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings at the very top right here. Wait for the settings to load up. Once they do, we need to go ahead and tap on privacy checkup right there and then tap on who can see what you share. From here, just tap on continue in the bottom, and from this first step just scroll all the way down and then find this option right next to it. Tap on only me, or just tap on whatever there is there. Make sure it is set to only me in the bottom. That's the first method. How can you do it? You can go ahead and quit, go back to settings. This time let's scroll down and find another option. This time is gonna be this option that says how people find and contact you. From here again, it's the same one, who can see your friends list. Tap on next to it and make sure it is set to only me in the bottom. And just like that, friends and even everybody on Facebook cannot see who are you friends with, and even the mutuals. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.